Oats are well known around the world. Do you know all of its benefits? Oats can be found in many people's breakfast. It is a cereal rich in fiber and can be found as a flour, rolled oats, or oat bran. Although many people think oats contain gluten, it doesn't. However, most of its production happens in places that also process wheat, which makes oats to be considered a dangerous food for people with celiac. In this process, cross-contamination happens. So, if you are celiac but want to eat oats, it is important to be sure that there is no cross-contamination. Buy gluten-free oats, which must be labeled as so, to avoid contamination. That said, in today's video we will tell you 3 reasons to not eat oats. 1. Has avenin. Have you ever heard of avenin? Avenin is a protein from the same family as gluten, which is why it can cause some similar symptoms in some people. 2. Contains phytates. Phytate, or phytic acid, is an anti-nutrient that links to many minerals, reducing their bioavailability to our body. 3. Has lectins. Today, after many studies, we know that grains and some tubers have lectins on their surface, which are chemical substances that protect the grains from attacks of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites but are toxic for our bodies. Lectins can be found in all foods, although the quantity varies. Taking all these things into account, does it still make sense to say that eating oats is healthy? Well, comparing it to other grains, oats might be better than wheat, and worse than rice, and, even so, oats require way more processing than rice. So, if you are trying to eat better, you can find foods that are tastier and more nutritive than oats. Of course, you can still eat oats, but in moderation, since it still carries some interesting benefits to our health. Do you eat oats? Do you like oats or do you prefer to stay away from it? Now, tell us your opinion. Thanks for watching.